Hello, 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 hello. I'm so excited to be here. This is Gift and Tembu, by the way, if you don't know who I am. I'm coming to you live from Gratitude Station. As per usual, I'm always grateful for whatever we have around us. So yes, I am coming to you live from Gratitude Station. But nevertheless, today I'm coming on here to speak about my challenge or my battle with endometriosis. I've battled endometriosis for the past, I think, 12 or 11 years. I was diagnosed with it before my baby was born, and thankfully my baby was born. I mean, we go as far back where I told my mom that I think the day that I was diagnosed, it was such a huge thing for me because my doctor had said to me that I will never have a child of my own. But when I went back with that news to my mom, because she's a prayer warrior, she said to me, no, it's not possible. Your doctor is not God at the end of the day. They might have given you the bad news or the diagnosis, but your doctor isn't God. And 2 years later, I was then pregnant with my daughter, and I'm so excited. Like, I love her to the moon and back. Long story short, I have battled endometriosis ever since I gave birth. I mean, I would be terrified of my monthly cycle. It took my life to such a point where I didn't even want to have the kind of gatherings that I used to have whenever I knew that I was going to that time of the month. I was so fearful of that time of the month, literally having those periods, because that meant my tummy was bloated that month. I was constipated for that month. I was moody as hell, and it was very painful. I used to cry. I used to take about 2 to 3 boxes of pain pills. I don't know if you know Nurofen for period pains, but those are the pills that really help me. That I used to take about 2 or 3 boxes of that during my cycle, and my cycle was normally 3 to 4 days. So that would mean literally that I would be taking period or pains. I would be taking painkillers. Sorry about that. Working from home means pausing every time and literally tending to the family. Anyway, as I was saying, I used to take 2 to 3 pills, 2 to 3 boxes of pills per month for this, and I used to take a lot of things that would help me either go to the bathroom and do the number 2, or would help me with in regards to, even farting. And it was painful. It's painful during that month, the time of the month, to even be farting, because your system becomes so clogged and it closes everything up. So how my gynecologist explained endometriosis to me all those years ago, he just said that when your monthly cycle comes out as a woman, some of it stays back and it blocks some tubes, and that's what causes the pain. And I went to a different gynecologist, who then put me on medication for a period of about 6 months or so, and the pain didn't go away. So I went back to her, and then she says to me that the pain was, the sickness was a mushroom sickness, and the older I got, the worse it would become with the years, and I just need to find a way to deal with it or remove my womb. So now, me being at the age that I am, I don't think I'm ready to remove my womb. I'd like to have other kids. So I was much younger then. I was about, I think, in my late 20s. And she told me to remove my womb, and that was not an option for me. So I decided I'm going to live with this pain. But living with that pain comes with a lot of torture. It comes with a lot of psychological torture, emotional torture, and it takes away and chips away from who you are on a daily basis, especially when it's around that time. I couldn't even go out and have fun and be peaceful and so on and so forth. I'm so happy to say that that is not the case anymore. I am on my period, and I'm happy to say that it's a happy cycle month, and this is all thanks to the product that I have been using. I've been using it for about a month now, and I take it literally every day, every morning on an empty stomach. Take about 2 liters of water on a daily basis, and it's helped me so much. It's alleviated me of so much pain. I mean, to even get to where I am today, I think the last time I had a peaceful period like this was maybe back in high school, which is more than 15 years ago. So it's a while ago. It's really a while ago where I had a really peaceful period, and it's all thanks to STC30. I mean, the sachet you just take in the morning, you open it, you put it under your tongue, and then you wait for it to dissolve. Then you wait for 1 hour before you eat or drink anything. and I've taken this product over a month period. So my body might be different from yours. You might heal quicker. Mine took a little bit longer, but I'm still a work in progress. And the reason why I'm only doing the video now as compared to back then is because I wanted to test this product on me and made sure that it worked, because I truly honestly never believed that endometriosis is something that I could be able to talk about as something like a thing of the past. I never believed that I would conquer this. I never believed that I would overcome this. And I never believed that ST30 would help me do this, would help me conquer it. Because I've spoken about STC30 healing over 134 illnesses, but I just never thought that one day I would be telling my testimony about something that I've battled with for so many years and be confident in saying that this is the product that helped me deal with endometriosis. This is the product that helped me deal with that pain. I don't think anybody deserves to go through that kind of pain. So if you do have endometriosis, or you've been struggling with, very bad period pains on a monthly basis,